The revenue in Clock PMS is sorted in groups and categories. The revenue groups are fixed, but the categories are customizable, which will give you more detailed reports. Revenue groups and categories are selected for each charge. Clock PMS lets you automate this operation by selecting them in the charge templates, in the rates, and in the city tax. Let's start with the revenue groups. The first two revenue groups, rooms and packages, are used for registering room charges and for calculation of some key performance indicators such as ADR, RevPAR, and so on. The next one, revenue group city tax, is used for charges like city, resort, or touristic tax, for example. Let's move on to the revenue group pre-invoice deposit. It is used for charges in deposit folios invoices. Revenue groups food and beverage, extra, and other can be used for classifying all other services. This is all about groups. Now let's move on to the revenue categories. For more detailed reports, you can add categories for each group. Let's see how it's done. From the main menu, go to Other, Settings, Revenue Category. Click on New. Enter the name of the category and select the related revenue group. Click on Create. This way you can create all the categories you will need. Now let's see how to apply them. Revenue groups and categories are selected for each charge. Open a folio and select Add Charge. Select Manual Charge. First select the revenue group, then select the corresponding revenue category. Fill in the rest of the fields. As we said earlier, this operation can be automated if you set revenue groups and categories in the charge templates, the rates, and in the city tax. Clock PMS uses revenue groups and categories to classify the revenue in the reports. If there are charges with selected categories, they will be included in the charge summary report. Let's see how it looks like. All the reports in Clock PMS are available from the main menu. Go to Other, Reports, and select the report you need. Now you can proceed with generating the report itself. Enter a period. In Group By, select Revenue Groups, Revenue Categories. Click on View. The revenue is broken down into groups and categories. The categories are also used in the chart segmentation report, in the closed folios report, and in the closed folios summary report. So this is all there is to the revenue groups and categories. Next step, payment subtypes.